My child, you think you deserve the finer things in life just because you exist? Newsflash, nobody owes you anything. You want the best? You better be willing to put in the work and earn it. We live in a world where entitlement has become a disease, where people expect the finer things in life without putting in the effort. But I'm here to tell you that it doesn't work that way. You want the best? You better be willing to put in the work. I'm not here to make you feel good about yourself. I'm here to kick you in the teeth and wake you up to the harsh reality of what it takes to achieve greatness. High standards are not just about what you want. They're about what you're willing to earn. They're about the blood, sweat, and tears you're willing to shed to achieve greatness. And let me tell you, greatness is not for the faint of heart. It's for those who are willing to push themselves to the limit, to test their boundaries, and to break through the noise. You see, the problem with today's society is that we have become too comfortable with mediocrity. We settle for less because it's easier, because it's convenient. But convenience is not what drives progress. Convenience is not what creates excellence. Excellence is about setting high standards and working tirelessly to achieve them. It's about being willing to learn, to grow, and to adapt. It's about being accountable for your actions and taking responsibility for your life. You want the finer things in life? You better be willing to put in the work. You want the best physique? You better be willing to hit the gym and push yourself to the limit. You want the best career? You better be willing to put in the hours and make sacrifices. And let me tell you, it's not just about what you want, it's about what you are willing to give. Are you willing to give your time, your energy, and your dedication to achieve greatness? Or are you just going to sit there and expect it to come to you? The truth is, nobody owes you anything. Nobody owes you respect, approval, or rewards just for existing. You have to earn it. You have to prove yourself. You have to demonstrate your worth. And that's what high standards are all about. They're about demonstrating your worth, your value, and your excellence. They're about showing the world what you are capable of, what you are willing to achieve, and what you are willing to give. So don't be bitter when you don't get what you want. Don't be bitter when life doesn't give you the finer things. Instead, be better. Push yourself to the limit and earn what you want. Because let's face it, high standards don't care about your feelings. They don't care about your excuses. They don't care about your entitlement. They only care about one thing: excellence. So if you want to play the game of excellence, you better be willing to put in the work. You better be willing to earn it. Because in the end, it's not about what you want. It's about what you're willing to give. So there you have it. That's the hard truth about what it takes to achieve greatness. You can either step up and put in the work, or step aside and make excuses and let the people who want to work really work. The choice is yours. But let me tell you this, if you don't raise your standards and start demanding more from yourself, you'll be left in the dust. And when you're lying in your grave wondering what could have been, don't say I didn't warn you. You want to be remembered, you want to make a mark on the world, then earn it. Earn your place among the greats. Earn your right to be remembered, because in the end, it's not about what you want, it's about what you're willing to give. So give me everything you have got. Give me your sweat, give me your tears and your blood. Give me your all, because that's what it takes to be a legend. To dive deeper into intriguing topics like this and motivation, click here to watch more and wake up.